food. Oops. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day, and if you are a new subscriber, and if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you guys. On today's video, I'm going to be making a flaxseed gel for my skin and for my hair. I've already applied it on, and if you want to see how I do it, stay tuned until the end of the video. And yeah guys, Hey guys, you guys just need to get a jar or anything that has been used before and some flax seeds. I've got these from Spices and all. Yeah, but anyways, let's get started guys. Let's get started. Oh my gosh, do you saw how much water I put? It was like up to here, and now the flax seeds are like up to here. And I'm looking at the gel. It's so gooey. It's so gooey. I feel like adding more water. It really feels very gooey. I'll use the fork to just mix. But they say leave it overnight. So I want to use this on my skin and on my face. So now I don't want to make it runny because I want it to be used on my hair also. And I also want this to work. I added more water. So I'm just mixing this through. Because I'm going to leave this overnight. It's only been like an hour or so and it's so gooey. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed. I'm going to separate this gel, some of it for my skin and some of it for my hair. I don't want, because I'm going to be dipping my fingers in, I don't want to dip, touch my hair, dip, touch my hair, and then the same product go on my face. I don't know if I should start with my face first. Let's start with the face. It dries up in time, and then I'll end with the hair. I don't know about leaving this. I don't know about leaving this for a really long time. I'm not sure about that. Okay, let's do this side. So unique. It smells so unique. It has like it smells like rice water. If you ever made rice before, if you ever made pasta before, it has that starchy smell. This is so much. My whole goal is to apply, oopsie. My goal is to apply all of this on my hair. I'm not gonna waste this. I think I'm gonna leave it for like an hour. Some people leave this on as a normal gel, and some people leave it for 15 minutes and rinse it off. So I'm gonna use this and leave it on my hair for it to just soak up in my hair. The reason why I'm not gonna leave it is because, I don't know, personally, this is not store-bought. It's going to ferment. It doesn't have the chemicals that will keep it from fermenting. So this is actually food I'm putting on my hair, like actual food. Oopsie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. One thing I can say, less is more. I don't know how people apply this. Thing is, this is done in the shower. Should be done in the shower, but I just wanted to show you guys how I apply all of this. So I'm gonna just part it, and I'm gonna just apply. Let me see if I can apply it this way. Again, I'm doing it again. But what I like about this is that if this goes on my face, I already have flaxseed gel on my face. So it's not like it's affecting my face because I already applied this. Usually when people boil it, it's more thicker in consistency and they apply it on their face. And after like some time, their face is very stiff and they can't move it. It doesn't feel any different. Like, my face feels smooth, but it's not giving that stiff effect. Very lightweight, so it doesn't really have like a strong hold like a normal gel would have. So I'm just applying. I don't know why I keep thinking this product is like not runny. It's so runny. So please have a towel ready when you have this. I took the leftover seeds and I'm gonna make use of this product. But it feels really good. That's what I can say. I can feel it's like very gooey in my scalp. The key is when you apply it, you apply it like in slow motion, like slow motion, like as slow as you can. Well, I'm down to the last drop, so I'm just gonna just take that and apply it. This is so good for my nails also, for my fingers. It's really good for my nails. It's been 10 minutes. I'm starting to feel it's still a bit wet here, but you can see my skin is like a bit on the tight side. But like I said, I'm gonna wait an hour and then I'm gonna wash it off. An hour or 2 hours and then I'm gonna wash it off. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna keep it on my hair. I feel like I don't like keeping food on my hair. It's like putting egg. Egg is so good as a protein mask on your hair, but I feel like if I put this on my hair, it's going to be food. It's foodie. I feel like I'm putting food on my hair. I'm gonna wash it off, guys. I'm gonna wash it off after like an hour or so. And then I will let you guys know how my skin feels and how my hair feels. But I can only give you guys a review like a week or 2 weeks of using this, because I am going to do this again. I'm going to do this once a week. So I can only give you guys a fair review after doing this multiple times. I can't just say, oh, it's amazing after one try. I have to like try it after many times. I need to try this many times and to see that is there a difference in my skin, and how my skin appears, if there's a reduced appearance of marks on my face. So yeah, is my hair improving? Is my hair stronger? Does it provide the nutrients that it says it provides? So I can only give you guys an honest review after me using it more than once. I can't just use it once and say, oh my gosh, it's amazing. But I will say, because of the slippery feel of the flaxseed, it gives the illusion that the hair is slippery. So I will know if it hydrates my hair after I rinse it off. But I will follow up with sealing my hair with a liquid and an oil. I will use my leave-in conditioner and then I will seal my hair with an oil. So, or a cream, but I'll see how I feel. Thanks for watching my channel. Remember to do all that good stuff. Remember to like, that thumbs up, put that thumbs up, yo, and to subscribe, and to also follow me on my social media platforms, and to also comment down below. I like when you guys comment down below. It's really nice. Even if it's an emoji, comment down below. But yeah, guys, I like this look. Thumbs up if you like this look. I could like leave the house like this. The only problem I have is that it's food. Flax seeds is a food. I don't want to leave the house knowing that I've got food in my hair. Bye, guys.